Turning the ball over. Here's Visheka Silva. Visheka Silva. The league's
හොඳම තීරණය ගන්න.
Swisstek Aquashield 2K waterproofer. Seal කරන්න හොඳම කෙනා. Dialogue Schools Rugby League.
St. Peter's College taking on Trinity College, and it's the super round.
Yes, Satish Kumar comes in. Yasru Arans and Senula Alexander in the front row. Deputy skipper Ravi Nilangaratne slots into the lock forward position alongside Menura Vijayakon.
St. Peter's outfit, Ridmal Ranasinghe and Veera Bansa in the front rows. The two Pereiras in the lock-in combination with Kularatne. Callum Sandaruwan will be the man in charge with Gihan Yatavara and Arunashant assisting them from the touchlines.
Well, wonderful change, isn't it? It's more live here with the game.
Shan Altaf missed touch on that occasion.
Now from the short side, the Pete Wrights. Seems like there was a high shot, and straight away referee penalising Trinity College. Yellow card straight away. Mario, and had to make sure that he leads this side. Here's a clearer look. This Anayaka breaks, and here's Galage. Seedberg tackle, arms contact on the head directly.
Flank Hamza for yet another high tackle.
Pete Wright taking it quickly. Here's Shihara to the corner, and Visheka Silva, the league's highest try scorer, adds another one to his list.
Yes, there is very less margin for error for Trinity College. The referee are in a discussion because there was some a late tackle on the try scorer. That was the try scored by Vishenka Silva, and
there's a foul play. You have to start kick off in the penalty.
The Bumblipity outfit, and will want nothing less than another league title, and this time just short. Here's Shihara. Good chasing tackle from Trinity College. Shihara gets back up and straight away penalised. A little bit of a brain fade from here's Sulangamur lining it up, has the legs behind it. Nabud at the back. Here's Pasindu Bandaru, the danger man. Gives it out and loses the ball forward. Raisan pounces on the loose ball. His offload now to Usman. Usman gives it out, and here's the Amana back try coming from Udisha Ratnayaka, which puts Trinity in front.
And so we see the replay. The ball lost forward and collected by, was that the try scorer? Raizan, in fact, as he managed to get one offload away and the second offload coming in, and great bit of play there by
Rangamo hits it well, and it's true. Aryavansa with a good carry, trying to tackle that ball. Referee says leave it, and there will be a penalty. And just like that, Pasidhu Bandara.
The face later on after that.
Olangamu has no problem. 3 out of 3. Galage now to Shihara. Finds space, and Praneeth Silva in the corner. And yet again, seems like that's another high shot. Having a numbers mismatch can really hurt you.
Usman Shafraz is the guilty party there, but I think what will be going in his favour is that the player was falling and deep in. You can see here he clearly goes down as he loses his footing. The defender, the attacker rather.
That's a neck contact, a dangerous play. The number 12 is a yellow.
Will see find himself sitting in the bin and contemplate, tries to do something different.
Yes, Navodya. Offload, Dulas Navodya runs through the middle. Navodya, can he go all the way? And Navodya comes in with the Amana back try.
A passage of play there by the Pete Wright players. You can see number 8 gave the pass out, and he was back to collect the offload. And from pretty much there is no stopping him.
Both the teams finish the half well. Trinity this time looking to put pressure on St. Peter's, and seems like that time that Maul has dislodged, yes, and referee Callum straight away stopping that, spotting that, and making sure.
As the score reads 12-13, Trinity with a slender 1-point lead.
Coloma, beautiful outside and inside.
Pete Wrights with the wind behind them, puts the ball high up. Aryavansa. Here's Altaf tracing Navodaya. Big hit on Navodaya, and that's a penalty. Navodaya collecting the ball from front, and so needs to put some power behind that. No problem with the distance.
That's why the penalty was.
Yes, pass to the Bandara with one man to beat. Bandara gets in, and Amana Bank try and tells who the boss is.
Decoy players running, and Rahul Peter giving that ball to Pasindu Bandar, and those two inside steps means that there was.
Vijay Kohn this time around gets the box kick. Pressure on the Trinity half, first 5/8.
Again, can you check?
There you can see the replay there.
Play in there.
Good straightening run from the forwards. Numbers mismatch.
Number 17, number 12, line outside.
No problem, as in front of the defending champions, reaches out, and that is the reply from Trinity. Amana Bank try coming from not comfortably in front, but they've replied with a Amana Bank try of their own. Can one team arrest this game? Tackler roll away was the call. Again Pereira carrying the ball forward.
Release. Number 2, tackle assist.
That could turn a game on its head. Rahul Peter makes no mistake from in front.
Carrying it forward. Peters just one shove away, and seems like they've gotten a score. The Pete Wrights by Trinity.
5 minutes, 5.
This is a replay. You can see momentum all the way on the side of St. Peter's College after they received that penalty, and there's the big man barging his way.
Here's Peter with his conversion, and has got it.
The restart collected by the number 5, but now Dulaj now the skipper from St. Peter's College takes it, and he's brought down.
And that's a yellow, second yellow. He's going to miss out the next week most probably, Romario, and that's crucial.
Line out one.
Trinity is setting it up. Trinity need to make sure that they score from here to have any opportunity. Trinity touchdown, and they get a score. There's a camera right in front of that incident. Grounding. Here's what happened. Trinity setting that ball up. Ball carried by Tisanga Disanaika, and seems like he's gotten across the line.
Right. This is not clear and obvious. You have to avoid the try.
That's the Amana Bank try for Trinity College.
With the nature of this game, we will have to wait for a couple of more minutes as Ulangamua puts the ball to boot, and it's through. Pete Wrights Turning the ball over. Yes, Visheka Silva. Visheka Silva, the league's highest point scorer, goes in for a Amana back try, and that will.
But Rahul Peter, quite good, you could say, on that second viewing. And from then on, Vishenka Silva, there's no stopping that young.
Making it available. I would bet my bottom dollar that there was a ruck form there as referee blows the long whistle. It's been a great contest between these two sides. What a game we witnessed here at Bambalapitiya.
5 tries for St. Peter's. In reply, Trinity managed just 3 tries. They'll be kicking themselves. Ranithu Ridmal with the NDB Player of the Match award.
වතුරත් ලීක් වෙලා ස්ලැබ් එකත් ඉවරයි. බලන්නකො දැන් සාලේ කැත. චමරි.
ස්විස්ටෙක් ඇක්වාශීල් 2K waterproof දැම්මා නම් වතුර කාන්දු වෙන්නෙත් නෑ. හිතටත් නිදහස්.
ස්විස්ටෙක් ඇක්වාශීල් 2K waterproofer සීල් කරන්න හොඳම කෙනා